Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn about page layout tab. Okay, this is your page layout tab. In MS Word, we have learned about home tab. Okay, in home tab we have learned about your format painter, then we have learned about find and replace option, superscript, subscript. Now today we are going to talk about page layout option. Okay, now what is layout? Layout is design. So page design options. Okay, so I have pasted here one paragraph about the Green Diwali, how to celebrate Diwali in this pandemic situation. Okay, so I have pasted one paragraph here and now going to show you how to work with page layout. Okay, the first option in this page layout, I am talking about the group, which is page setup group. Okay, in the page layout tab, there is one group which is page setup group. Okay, so in page setup group, you have to set margins. Okay, what are margins? Margin is your extra space. See, this blue part is your left margin. See, this is your left margin. If you click here, you can see the margin. So this is your left margin and this is your top margin. Okay, and this is your bottom margin, means you cannot write anything in this margin. Only you can insert header and footer or insert page number in this margin. So this part is known as your margin. This blue line is your margins. Okay. So how to set margin? You have to click on this arrow. Then by default normal margin is selected, and the normal margin, what is the normal margin? Top is your 2.54 centimeter, bottom is your 2.54 centimeter, left is also 2.54 centimeter and right is also 2.54 centimeter. So these are the four margins. So I have copied a paragraph about the Green Diwali and going to tell you about the margin. So margins, as we have seen, normal margins 2.54 centimeter for top, bottom, left and right. चारों तरफ की मार्जिन इक्वल रहती है 2.54 centimeters. Okay, then the narrow margins are there. If your page is not adjusted, suppose you are going to take out the printout and you have seen that this paragraph is adjusted in 2 pages and you want to adjust in 1 page. So how can we adjust? We can set the margin. See, narrow margin, what happened? Narrow margin will be there and the text will be coming on 1 page. So when you are going to take out the printout, the only 1 page is required for printout. So this is the use of your margin. Okay, if you increase it, text area will be decreased. Okay, if you decrease the margin, text area will increase. Okay, then one margin is your mirrored margin, means your one page this side when binding के लिए जो extra space जाता है, that is in your mirrored margin. Then the orientation of page. So two orientations are there. One is your portrait orientation, okay, and one is your landscape. This is your portrait and this is your landscape. Page is in the form of landscape, okay, and this is your portrait. Then the size of the paper. Size of the paper, this is your A4 size. Whatever paper size is inserted in printer, you have to select that size. Okay, if I selecting legal, what happened? Page size will increase. Okay, so size of the page. Then columns. Column means you have seen in newspapers, column writings are there. So you can click on it like your two columns. What happened? This text will be divided into two columns. Okay, this is your column writing, or three columns. So text will be divided into three columns, or your one column. This is by default, it is one column. You can increase or decrease columns. Okay. Then break means your page break. Okay, if you want to give after this paragraph, you want to give page break, so you can click here, page break. What happened? The text will be inserted into the new page. So this is your page break. Then the line numbers, continuous, if you want to give the line numbers. Okay, in your paragraph, suppose someone is saying write down this much of lines about that, so you can give the line numbers. None line numbers will be removed. Okay, then so these are the things which are useful in page layouts: margin, orientation, size, columns and break. Okay, then your watermarks. What are watermarks? Watermarks are the things which will be displayed at the background, like do not copy. So this is the watermark displayed on the page. Do not copy, or you can write confidential. So this is the confidential watermark will be coming in your paper. Okay, it is the light shade mark which is visible on the background of paper. Okay, custom watermark. Suppose you have created this, so you are going to write your name. So clicking on custom watermark. See. Draft or anything you can write. Apply. Then the page color. You can change the page color, but do not set page color very dark color like this. You are not able to see the text properly if your page color is very dark. Okay, you can set the page color. Then you can set the page borders. Click on the box, select the border. So page border will be displayed. So practice this at your home. What you have to practice? Click on page layout tab. Click on margins. See the margins. Click on orientation. See two types of orientations are there. Then the page size. Note down the page sizes and their dimensions. Then your columns. Okay, then we have to work on break, watermark, page colors and page borders. Goodbye for now. Take care and happy Diwali to all of you. Bye bye.